Hey troopers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Tiffany-Nicole and I hope that you will stay. So as you've already seen from the intro, I am unboxing and reviewing the Osmo Pocket 3. Alright y'all, so as you can see, I got the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. This comes with the protective cover, the transmitter for the mic, the battery handle with quarter thread, the mini tripod, a cable, carrying bag, mic clip magnet, mic windscreen, the wide angle lens, and the wrist strap. Comes with a lot. And then I also ordered a additional battery handle just for extra battery. That's definitely gonna come in handy just to have one extra set while one is charging. I gotta have one. Ooh, come on, carrying case. How cute is this? What? Oh, this is adorable. Love it. Okay, this is the protective cover. Let's open the bag. It's so petite. Oh, it's perfect. Look at that. You see look at the lens. Oh, how stinking cute is this? Gotta clip that on me. Yeah, the extra handle piece, which is also a tripod. Are you serious? Okay, so far, what I'm doing is watching the first use video that the instructions tell you to do. It's supposed to turn on when you tilt it. I did, look at that. 512 extreme micro SDXC SanDisk card with adapter. So there's a slot right here. I'm assuming that it goes here, according to this image. Ah, yes, perfect. It says recenter. For right now, I'm gonna keep it on the default. It's so smooth. Oh yeah. So this corner right here tells you the battery, 53. This one, time lapse, slow motion, low light, video, photo, panorama. So we're gonna keep it on video. Okay. Camera will automatically follow the face. So we're definitely gonna test that out. Okay. I wanna make sure that I have these devices charged. 28 hours and 12 minutes on this SD card. How do I turn it off? Okay. Okay, powered off. Beautiful. All right, guys, so we made it to the rooftop sky garden area in my girl's apartment building, but it's so beautiful. Look at Sue, my jewel. Look here. There she is. There she is. Ew. And then we got Kiki.
All her material is bomb. Everything she touches fire.
Oh, let them know, sis.
Boom.
As if y'all didn't know, but if you don't know, now you know. Thanks, sis. Then we got Kisi. She's doing her content thing over here. Professional. Follow her too.
Hola, hola.
If y'all haven't seen her before, she was on my Miami vlog. That was like a month long of me posting, so you get like a full month of her on my channel. But anyway, I'm gonna test it out while she's doing her content over here. I'm gonna test out the Pocket 3 and see, because you see how this is like kind of shaky, it's not gonna move like this. I'm gonna test it out on the Pocket 3. Okay, so right now I have the Pocket 3 in my left hand and I just put it on autofocus. So the gimbal is currently following her as she's doing her content. Yes, Kiki girl. So as you guys can see, the gimbal is actually moving. Like, I'm not moving my hand. So if she walks, it'll follow her because the focus is on her face. See? It moves. See, I don't have to move my hand. It's still following her. So if I were to put it down on the floor, it would follow her. So stop recording. And I'm going to turn this to turn it off. Now my girl Sue, my jewel, is shooting, and Kesey is shooting her. So as I'm walking, you can see how smooth it is versus how shaky it is on the other hand as I take each step. You look gorgeous, sis.
Yeah, you do.
You guys see how smooth my Pocket 3 is looking? And then if I wanted to zoom in, I'm going to go up.
There it is, there.
To zoom in on her. Y'all see that? And zoom out is to press down. Zoom in is zoom up like that. How close does it go? 4 times. Hope I know. Mind you, that's on 1080.
Motherfucker, they trying to bite your wool. They trying to bite your wool. No. Alright. I don't know what the fuck that was, but it felt big. I felt like I felt its wings on me like this.
It probably was. What was the wings doing? Oh guys, you see that? So as I pan over to Kesey, the Pocket 3 is so much brighter than the ZV-E10. Look at the light here. And even with the sunset.
Wherever you, I'll just move, readjust if I need to. So you want to be over there?
Y'all see that? And as I move faster, you can see which one is way smoother. Oh, honey. Give it to us, girl.
Alright.
So guys, I just enabled the face tracking for Sue, but it doesn't look like I'm able to zoom with this feature on. So if you guys want to have the autofocus, not the autofocus, but the auto face tracking, you can't do the zoom feature at the same time. Now I'm doing a vertical. So this will be good for your 9x16s, your social media videos or pictures. She looks great. Alright guys, so we're in a lounge right now. So I came here to test it because the light is a lot dimmer here. So we're gonna test the light. I also added the mic transmitter here. When I turned on the Pocket 3, it said that it was already connected. So it connects automatically. So I'm testing it out to see what the audio, it is picking up audio though. I don't know if you guys can see that green light on the top. And I didn't even hit record yet. Also, what I did learn, to change the resolution, I have to swipe up. Let's do 24. Okay.
Behind the scenes, getting ready to tear that camera up. Stay tuned.
Doesn't she look gorgeous, guys? Yeah. Flip this to do selfie. Boom. And this is very low lights, but I don't have it in low light mode. So you know what? That's what I can do. Let's just try low light mode and see what that looks like. Let's stop recording. Go to low light. And let's see what that looks like. All right, y'all, so currently I'm shooting in the Pocket 3 low light. Let me know if you see a difference from the previous one. And I'm walking around the space, just testing out the lighting in here. So I went back to regular, but I just got a notification for low battery in the top right. So I'm gonna see what the other handle does. All right, so I just took this off. I had this on like the tripod. It has the legs. I'm gonna put this one on. Remember this guy here? Let's see if it's gonna give me any more juice. Gotta make sure it's, oh, this one. Okay, so guys, look, it's showing me that is charging. 29%, 55%. So does that mean that there's 55% on the battery, on the charger? I guess this is a charger. It's 54% here, 30% here. So as you can see, it's already moving up quickly. Moving pretty fast. We're in another lounge area. Way brighter than the other one. I have it in like regular light mode, not low light, so you can see how bright it is. Now I'm gonna do the tracking to track her face. And it's already tracking her face. So I don't have to put too much focus on this camera if I don't want to. I just have to focus on this, the ZV-E10. Yes, honey, the legs is looking bright. Yes. So we're at the pool right now, as you can see, with my ladies. And I forgot to show you all the hidden pockets inside of the actual camera bag. And I have the magnet here. I'll take this magnet, which by the way, I don't even know what this is for. I have to figure that out. If I figure it out, I'm gonna post it here. The mic I'm wearing is not for this camera, by the way. It's for the pocket wide angle lens. You got it. Well, again, all of this comes with this creator combo. So I'll show you. That was easy to stick on. Let's turn it on. All right, let's see if I see a difference. And I'm gonna remove it. Let me know if you guys see a difference there. Oh, actually, I think I can see the difference. All right, you see where this gate is? So that door, if I remove it, it takes off part of the door and part of the gate and some of the overhead. Did y'all notice that? You see that? How it takes off a lot of this side, and the top. I think this side was pretty much the same. And now it's off. Okay? So y'all can see how that works. So again, I still have the wide angle lens on. It's PC in the back, and two, the sun is just beaming, y'all. And I'm gonna turn this light on. And now the mic, I just turned on the Pocket 3 mic, so now you can hear the difference. There's a waterfall, which is probably the water that you're hearing back there. So we're gonna compare the difference in the mic and the camera sound as well. And look at my girls. Y'all look good, okay?
Is everything I wanted and needed?
Yes, because we love the sun, honey. We love the sun. So far, I really do like this gadget here. It's very compact, it's very small. I did add the other handle piece here, but we have the big one. The large one here is also like the battery pack, which I said that I ordered another one of, but it's back in New York. As you know, I'm in Atlanta, so it's at home. So I didn't bring this with me, but I did unbox this one. So it does come with one. I didn't try the windscreen on the mic, but you know, I wanted to see what it was like without. There's not much wind happening anyway, but let's try it anyway. Okay, so that's with the windscreen on. Like I said, it's very compact. It already comes with additional battery use. It does have good quality. As you saw with the previous shots, it automatically was shooting in 1080. And right now I'm doing 4K with 24, just to match my Sony ZV-E10's resolution. just so it's not too crazy when it comes to the editing, and just so I can give you a real side-by-side. I should have did that yesterday, but I didn't figure out how to change the resolution until after we were outside, after the rooftop situation. So you'll see the difference in those clips there. But other than that, I would definitely continue to shoot in 4K, unless it was like something close, something quick for social media, nothing like too wide. Definitely great lighting. You have to have great lighting if you're going to shoot in the 1080p. But yeah, I love it. And I love how it's easy to, if I wanted to flip it and do vertical, I could just flip it into vertical. I can flip it and it'll turn off. Very, like, I totally recommend it. So if you want this camera, DJI Osmo Pocket 3, click the link here in my description. It is right there. Click it, get you one, because this is definitely a game changer. Definitely a game changer. I would probably use my ZV-E10 for more stationary videos. I'm not moving it too much because y'all know how wonky that can be, especially if you don't have a gimbal on a large camera. So yeah. Oh, what I must mention before I forget, I did take these images here with the Pocket 3. Look at these. Now, my ladies, they already came ready and slayed to shoot, as you can see. But I just can't believe that these images came out with the Pocket 3. That is fire. So I would say if you're looking for a versatile camera to do videos and still images with, trust, the Pocket 3 is definitely the way to go, because, like, wow. Thank you all for tuning into my vlog today. I appreciate it. Let me know what you all think about it. Let me know if you guys have this, or if you have the Pocket 2, the SONY ZV-E10, or the SONY ZV-1 as well, because I know a lot of people still use that, and they're both great cameras. So let me know what you think. Shoot me some comments, questions, and I'll try to update as I learn myself. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see y'all later.